This end screen template will work with Premiere Pro 2019 or above version. I have also included font required for this template. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install Motion Graphics template. Place end screen template on the timeline. Here you can change template color. Here you can add social media detail. You can scale and position social media username text from here. If you don't use any of these social media, you can hide it from here. You can scale or position social media from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.